Hello, hi guys. All right, hello guys, welcome. Okay, finally made it on. Have had a whole host of technical difficulties this morning. I'll admit some were due to human error. Yes, they were. But anyway, Ebony, what's up? Got something exciting to share. Okay guys, so welcome. I'm Laura Madden. This is ReFashioned Art. This is ReFashioned Art. So if you're new here, we're gonna see a live unboxing. I actually was just live and shared a live unboxing, but the video got cut short because, you know, I don't know, technical difficulties and no clue what happened. But anyway, I'm back and I'm gonna share my second live unboxing right here. And then guys, also this week, every week, I'm doing one new release on shop.IamLauraMadden.com. So this week, this is my new release. We'll talk more about that in just a few moments. But on my website, shop.IamLauraMadden.com, in case you didn't get it the first time, link is in the bio. And I created a whole new section for new releases. So as soon as it goes on, it will stay on for 4 weeks. And then after that 4-week period is over, I will move it into another category. So this is Life Moves, and that is the new release of the week. I am in love with black and white, guys, and I've been playing around with some other styles and kind of like playing with a little bit of a pivot. Just trying to expand, you know, my artwork and really trying to grow this as a business. And so I want to just expand my reach and, you know, my customer base. But you know what I found after practicing and playing with a few other different things? I love what I love, and I am who I am. I love my black and white. I love my super minimalist, and then I love my super like crazy and wild fashionable art. So everything I do, I consider it under this fashionable art umbrella. Again, like I said, all of my originals are made using repurposed materials. This is made using repurposed materials. There's a lot of leftover house paint from our renovation in there. It's a wood plank that I think it was found, you know what, to be honest, I could have been found somewhere on the street in my neighborhood. I'm not sure. I pick stuff up all the time, everywhere I go, and I have absolutely no shame in doing it because, you know what, it makes for a great story, and it is one of the best things you can do for the planet, you guys, to repurpose and reuse what already exists, whether it's clothes. Yes, all of what I'm wearing today is secondhand. So whether it's your clothes, whether it's your home decor, whatever, your artwork, as much as we can repurpose what already exists, the better for the planet. It just really strengthens that circular economy, and I could go on and on and on and on and talk about this all day, all night, so I won't bore you, but end of the day, guys, it reduces waste, it conserves resources, tons, and it reduces the chance of unnecessary items going into landfill, which is a big, big deal. It's a really big, big deal. So this is like simple stuff that you can do on a daily basis that is gonna make a huge difference in the planet. So all of those originals made using repurposed materials, and this is the new one today, Life Moves. Yes, all right guys, and then one thing I am gonna share today, my live unboxing, like I mentioned, this is not repurposed, but again, it is, it's the next step to expanding this, this artwork as a business. And so people have been asking, when are you gonna put your artwork on, you know, cell phone cases, greeting cards, and all that stuff? So I'm doing it. And I gotta say, I'm really quite smitten. I'm quite smitten. So more to come with this. Really, really getting excited about home decor. Definitely looking for partners. I've been playing around with patterns, making patterns out of some of my artwork. One of them I posted recently. I don't know if you saw it. Actually, I'm sorry, yesterday. I posted it yesterday. I don't know if you saw it. The wall covering, which I made I made a pattern, a repeating pattern out of love. By the way, guys, tell me if you love that t-shirt. I love this t-shirt. This is actually a painting I did that I just fell deeply in love with. That is love, L-A-U-V, and I fell deeply in love with that painting. I don't know what, some weird connection. As soon as I did it, and I just decided to make it my logo. And so I'm gonna make a t-shirt. I don't know if I'm gonna sell this or not, but actually it is for sale on shopvita.com. And I'm gonna put that link in my bio today. I literally just got set up on the website. This is recycled polyester, which is kind of like a next best thing to an organic natural fabric. I'm not that crazy about it, but I gotta say it's super soft. So anyway, guys, this is Love in a t-shirt. Let me know if you love it. Okay, so this is a pattern that I made out of that same painting. And this is what I call Love Lip. And this is Love Lip and a wall covering rather. Tell me if you love it. I don't. All right, guys, so one thing. I just did a live unboxing earlier. Cell phone case. My husband actually picked this out and ordered it. This is Rough Terra, and I'm gonna show you really quick. God, this phone, please cooperate. It doesn't like to. Okay, this is Rough Terra. I'm gonna show you really quick, guys. This is a print that is also available on my website. And as soon as I can find this photo, don't worry, I won't take forever, totally. But it was actually a really cute photo I took of my dog sitting in front of the fireplace. And it just so happened that this piece of artwork was in the shot. And it's a really cute photo. But of course, anything with this dog is a super cute photo. There's my little pup, Luce. He's such a little angel. Hey guys, how are you? How are you? Hey Joe, good to see you. Oh my gosh. Art by Nick Ridley, good to see you. Cell phone case, tiptoeing. So this is this print in the background. That is actually the original. And then this is the print, Rough Terra, on the cell phone case. Let's see if my husband likes it. Okay guys, onto it. Sorry, I'm going to blabber. I know, like this is just, I could just talk all day and all night. My goal is not to do that to you because I know I will end up with no one watching. Okay, live unboxing, here we go. Take two. All right, guys, so I do want to show you, it comes with this great little tab for easy opening, even for super klutzes like me, right? We'll see, I already broke a nail, which really, you know, really annoying. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here we go. Opens nice and easy, which is fabulous. And look at that. You know what that is. One of my favorite little things to see. Recycled cardboard. Yes, one of my favorite things to see, guys. That little recycle sign. Receipt. You know what this is, don't you? Okay, I showed you the t-shirt. I showed you the wallpaper. Oh yes, I just love this girl. This is Love, L-A-U-V, a painting I did, made it the logo. Oh my God, I don't know why, you guys. I don't know, it's like kind of sexy, kind of mysterious. But again, minimal, super minimal painting that I did. You know how much I love black and white. I'm wearing it, I am like drowning in black and white. And then my black and white new release this week. But anyway, this is Love, L-A-U-V. If you're interested in this, it's on the website, shop.imlauramann.com, and you would go under Abstract Portraits. So you would go to the navigation bar, click on Shop Art. In the drop-down, you're going to see Abstract Portraits, and this is Love, L-A-U-V. Do you like it? Guys, let me know if you like it. It's okay if you don't, because I do. And this is gonna go on my cell phone. And unfortunately, I only have one cell phone, which is filming me right now, so I can't show you what it actually looks like on the phone. This is an iPhone XR. So this is what you're seeing. But you can get this in Samsung, Galaxy, I mean, all the iPhones. There are a ton of options. So this is actually the matte, and this is the hard case. It comes in soft, it comes in that like jelly, squishy type case, and it also comes in shiny. Maybe should have got the shiny. But this is the matte. Guys, I don't know why I'm so in love with this girl. It could be a guy, actually. It could be. I don't know why I'm calling her a girl. It's like, Nick, we gotta meet in person. Like one of these days. Thank you. All right, guys. So anyhow, this is it. This is it. Again, it comes in this great pouch, and I shared in my last unboxing of the last iPhone case. You know what I'm gonna do with this? I am going to stuff this with my reusable utensils. You know I'm such a nerd. I'm such a sustainability nerd, and that's all I'm gonna talk about. So I'm going to stuff this with my reusable utensils, my reusable straw, and this is going right in my car. It is the perfect size pouch for those little things. So anyway, guys, that's it for this. Tell me what you think of, or what you like about it, what you don't like about it. I want to know. And then just a few other things, guys. Life Moves, my new release of the week. Every week, a new release. So you will see this in the new release category. Again, if you go to shop.imlauramen.com, in the navigation bar, go to shop, and in the drop down, you are going to click on new releases. It's also on the homepage, very clearly displayed on the homepage. So this is Life Moves. All right. And again, this is made using repurposed materials. This is a wood panel. So I actually love it like this on the vertical, but I'm going to show you it is wired to hang on the horizontal. Also, I'm sorry, I know it doesn't fit in the frame, not ideal, but it's also super cool on the horizontal. But it's good, it's a decent weight, decent thickness here, but it is a wood panel. So it feels like a wood panel. But again, that's Life Moves. Totally love it. I love my black and white. A lot of work went into this, guys. This is one of those pieces, it was like a lot of elbow grease, a lot of buffing. But anyway, Life Moves. Tell me if you love it. Tell me if you don't love it. I want to know, what don't you like about it? What do you like about it? But that is the new release of the week. This is the original, like I said, also for sale. DM me if you're interested in the original. If you want to buy a print, if you want to get one of the lifestyle products, again, you can get this on the iPhone case. You can get this on a mug. You can get this on a pillow. OMG, how amazing would this be on a throw pillow? Yes, it'd be so good. Greeting card, coaster also would be amazing on a coaster, guys. I love black and white. I love black and white in my decor. There's something soothing about it, but at the same time, it's bold, it's modern, and it's got that fashionable edge. How cool. Little touches, you could bring them in. Coasters, throw pillows. Also, tote bag. Oh, that'd be cool. That would be cool. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Would love your feedback. Like I shared, I tried like playing around with maybe some other styles and was considering a little bit of a pivot with my style, but you know what? I love more of that bold, fashionable art. Either the minimal or the super bold. I've got some crazy stuff. Let me see, I want to show you something else, guys. I want to show you something else. Okay. Before I let you go, there's the tee. There's the t-shirt coming soon. I'm going to put the link in my bio. Like I mentioned, it will be there shortly, but this is this same piece on a cell phone case. This is the same piece. I just made a pattern out of that painting on a wall, which I think it's cool. I like it. You know what? I got a bathroom. Let me know, where else would you put the love lip? Where else? I asked in my stories, and I got floors. Would love that on a floor. Actually, it'd be super cool on a tiny little like area rug. Yes. I also got tile. Yes. So cool. I also got powder room floor. So I imagine tile. Yes. So cool. I do think this would be great as a wall covering in a powder room as well. You know, like a smaller space. And I got one of those, and it needs a refresh, like big time. And there's just another example of it on a wall. All right, guys, I don't want to. Hey, how are you? So close yet so far. I don't know why I keep saying that. Hey, so Courtney, I don't know what just happened to my thing. There we go. Yeah, my phone is definitely acting up. My phone's acting up. I'm back. So Courtney, this is a cell phone case. This is my piece Love, and then cell phone case, this is another piece. This is Rough Terra. So you got the abstract. This is more of my minimalist abstract modern art, and this is more of like, you know, kind of like that more bold modern art. And I do call this an abstract portrait. If there's a real name for it, please let me know. A portrait of no one. A portrait of my made up character. It's like my made up avatar. I don't know. I kind of wish I looked like this. Just simple, you know, simple. Maybe one day. I don't know. All right, guys. Nice to see you all. Again, link is in the bio, shop.imlauramann.com. And if you are not signed up for my newsletter yet, please get on there. I would love your support. I am sending one out tomorrow. I do share little gifts regularly, and I will be sharing one this week. So get on there, guys. Again, the link is in the bio to get on my newsletter. And also when you sign up, you guys, you get a special discount promo on your first purchase. So don't miss that. I mean, that promo, that discount, that percentage goes a long way. So get on it. All right, guys, nice to see you. Again, tell me. Do you love it? Do you love it? Do you love it? I love it. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining.